Introducing the CloudSpec by Marama Labs, a spectrophotometer for turbid liquids. UV-vis spectroscopy is a powerful, widespread technique for identifying and quantifying analytes in solutions. However, most instruments require the liquid samples to be optically clear for meaningful results. In order to analyze cloudy solutions, a separation process is often necessary to remove scattering material, which can be time-consuming and may introduce additional errors into a measurement. To simplify this, the CloudSpec by Marama Labs has been specifically designed to eliminate turbidity as a factor for determining the absorbance of samples. This allows for equal ease in measuring both optically clear or cloudy solutions. Simply pipette a sample directly into the specially designed cuvette and place it into the instrument. Once inside, the CloudSpec's innovative two-beam pathway comprehensively analyzes the sample's absorbance with and without scattering at the click of a button. First, the amount of light that passes directly through the sample is measured in a traditional transmission-based geometry. Then, the second pathway uses an integrating sphere to collect all of the light scattered by the particulates in the solution. When compared to a solvent background, the first pathway generates a spectrum based on both absorbing and scattering behaviors, which is what occurs in traditional spectrophotometers. However, the integrating sphere pathway produces a pure absorbance spectrum with no scatterance contributions. As these two spectra from the same exact sample simply with and without the effects of turbidity, they can be directly subtracted to characterize the scattering behavior. Therefore, this dual beam pathway can easily compare analytes in differing turbid media, such as following a process like winemaking through grape crush, ferment, and bottling. In this way, the CloudSpec is uniquely designed to provide a comprehensive, separations-free analysis for a wide variety of complex solutions. So contact Marama Labs to start saving your time and get measuring faster today.